The Constitutional Court has dealt a major blow to the African Transformation Movement's attempt to restart suspended impeachment proceedings against President Cyril Ramaphosa, refusing to hear the ATM's direct appeal at this stage. The decision means the parliamentary impeachment process remains on hold, while Ramaphosa's separate court challenge is being dealt with. The dispute goes back to last month, when the Western Cape High Court ordered that the impeachment committee could not proceed with public hearings until the president's review application has been finalized. That review application is aimed at challenging the report of an independent panel which found that Ramaphosa had a case to answer in connection with the Phala matter. ATM leader Vuyo Zungula then approached the Constitutional Court, asking it for permission to appeal the Western Cape High Court's interim order directly. But in a ruling delivered on Wednesday, the country's highest court refused. The Constitutional Court said it was not in the interest of justice to hear the appeal at this stage because the Western Cape High Court is expected to determine Ramaphosa's review application soon. And this is the key point. According to the Constitutional Court, whatever happens with that review could make the interim order suspending the impeachment proceedings moot. In other words, the court did not make a final ruling on whether the impeachment process itself should continue. Instead, it found that there was a little value in hearing the appeal before the president's review application is resolved. The court also rejected an application by the MK Party and United African Transformation, or UAT, to file a replying affidavit. It said no case had been made for allowing that additional filing. The court ultimately refused both applications and decided that there would be no costs order. The ATM was not alone in challenging the Western Cape High Court's decision. The Economic Freedom Fighters, MK Party, and the UAT had also joined the legal effort seeking to overturn the interim interdict that paused Parliament's impeachment inquiry. For Parliament, the immediate position is clear. The impeachment committee cannot simply resume its public hearings while the court process remains unresolved. For Ramaphosa, the next major legal battle is now the review application before the Western Cape High Court. Its outcome could determine whether the impeachment process moves forward, changes direction, or potentially loses its immediate basis. So, while Wednesday's Constitutional Court ruling does not end the political controversy surrounding Phala, it does narrow the path for those seeking to push the impeachment process ahead immediately. The next development to watch is the Western Cape High Court's decision on Ramaphosa's review application, because that ruling could have major consequences for the future of the parliamentary impeachment process. Stay with us for the latest updates on this story. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.